Hello students, welcome back to Supergrads channel. I am Komal and today we are here to discuss a very important form that is for St. Xavier's Mumbai. Now the application has been started for BAMCJ, earlier known as BMM, and now BCom MS, earlier known as BMS. तो हमें पहले इनकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरियाज जान लेते हैं. द फर्स्ट एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया इज दैट द स्टूडेंट मस्ट क्लियर हिज और हर 12th एग्जामिनेशन in the first attempt. So this is the first eligibility criteria. The second is that the student must be born on or after 1st June 2004. This is the second eligibility criteria. For Christian minorities, the baptism certificate is very important. Now, moving forward with the form filling process. First, go on the Google, click on the official website of St. Xavier's College. You have this page open in front of you. Select the course, click here to apply. Now, register yourself. First important thing would be registration. Your full name, select a username for yourself, your registered email ID, your mobile number, password, and then sign up. Once you sign up, you will have this page in front open. Where you have to log in using your username, which you selected in the first slide, the password, and then log in. Once you log in, you get a verification code on your registered email ID as well as on your mobile number. So make sure that the registered email ID and the mobile number is correct. Once you get the verification code, you'll have this page open in front of you. Click on the apply button for BMS. Then they ask you the basic personal information, that is your name, your last name, your mother's name, your date of birth, gender, nationality. Fill in all the details. Just go through all the details carefully, your address, and then save and continue. Once you save and continue, you get this qualification, academic qualification detail, where you have two options. One is HSC 12th qualifying exam or diploma. Select one of those. Once you move forward, you have to upload your documents. Now, while uploading the documents, keep in mind that the file size should be 1 MB, not more than that. Otherwise, the page, it will not accept. Upload your photo, upload your signature, and then save and continue. Once you save and continue, you have the details in front of you. Just go through all the details carefully so that everything is accurate and correct. Once you move forward, you have the payment page open in front of you. Please initiate the payment of 3,000 rupees. And then once you complete the payment process, all the details will be there on your registered email ID. Moving forward, if you have any doubts or you are stuck in between filling the form, just drop down a comment below and we are here to help you. Thank you so much. I'll see you again.